Hey RC addicts, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got for you another budget friendly truck from the ZD Racing family. It's the ZD Racing Rocket DTK 16. It's the 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive desert truck. This comes in two colors. You see here the red and the green. We got both. So it also comes, this is the brushless version. This also comes in the brush version. So let's open it up and see what we got going on in the box. Let's go for that green one over here. All right. So here's that green color. We got, says 1/16 scale, ready to run, electric, 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz radio. It claims 40 to 55 kilometers per hour. Just charge the batteries and go. And this comes with everything you need except for the batteries for the transmitter. Another look at the box here. There's that red one. And the green again. This side it shows you. See here we have the brushless green is what we got, and there's the brushed edition here. We got the brushless green and the brushless red. All right, so let's open up and see what we get. Okay, as soon as we open the box, we are greeted with the instruction manual. And in this bag, you have the instruction manual, you got 2 zip ties, a couple of 3M sticky pads. It looks like your ESC receiver cover, and your cross wrench, and an extra body clip in there. Pretty cool. And if you haven't driven, if this is your first time driving an RC car or anything like that, I do recommend you read the instruction manual. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Power supply cords for the included charger. Charges 2 and 3S LiPos. All right, and when you got the US plug and the EU plug. We'll be using this here, the US plug. When you plug it in, the lights will be red, and as they charge, they turn green. What else do we have? Transmitter. We've got your 2.4 gigahertz ZD Racing transmitter. Nothing spectacular. It's pretty light, kind of cheap feeling. The trigger's kind of vague, light feeling. You've got your on-off switch, steering trim, and you have a speed switch. The speed switch is for the first timers. If you don't want to start off fast and you want to go slow, you can adjust the speed here, right here, like a beginner mode. You turn it to the left to go slow, to the right to go faster. And you have your steering reverse switch here. You have your steering wheel here, which is just plastic, pretty light, cheap feeling plastic. And this is an aux button. I don't know what this auxiliary button does, but we'll find out when we get to driving this. Okay, so that's what we got for the transmitter. Wheels. We gotta put these on. not a huge feat, but packaged nicely. Save space. So you got to put these on. Let's see. Pretty soft rubber tire. Plastic mag wheels. Soft rubber tire. It's got some pretty big aggressive tread on there. So that should do. Got 4 of those, of course. And the thing that everybody else wants to see is right here. Number 24, ZD Racing Rocket. And it's pretty cool. You get a spare tire on the back too. It's held on by a Phillips screw, but it's functional. It's a working tire. Get 2 little passengers in there. You got the driver and his navigator. Plastic chassis. Nice bumper out front. I think that green color is pretty cool. That green is pop a little bit. Alright, so there we go. That's a little better. It's pretty neat. Let's undo the 2 body clips in the front here. Cab is hinged in the rear, so it lifts forward. Stays attached, exposed. You will see your 30 amp brushless waterproof ESC. It's a 2-in-1 receiver ESC. Here's your brushless 3300 kV brushless motor. On a metal motor mount, metal pinion gear. You got your servo right here, your servo. It's a 2.2 kilogram alligator servo. Like I said, it does come ready to run. Here's your 2S LiPo battery here. Let's go ahead and pull the pins for that. Get that battery out of here so you can take a look. It's a 7.4 volt, 1500 milliamp hour, 15C 2S LiPo battery. So you got that with the charger. It charges through the balance lead, so you'll plug your balance lead in here. Power cord on that side, and into your wall outlet. There you go. You get the gist. You guys know how to charge batteries. It's a pretty cool little truck. Gotta say, pretty cool little desert racer. Oh, knocking my camera around here. And also, it comes with LED light bar up top. Yes, sir. So what we got to do here is just remove these nuts, put the wheels on, and we'll take a look. We'll be right back. Hang on, sit tight. All right, and there we have it. We have two ZD Racing Rocket DTK 16 brushless four-wheel drive desert trucks. Here I've got also it on the wheels and stuff. It looks pretty tough, man. I like them. I like these wheels and tires. Pretty aggressive. The tread on the red is different than the tread on the green. The spokes are different as well. The shocks seem alright. I would put some. Feels like they're lacking in oil. They have their metal caps, metal cap shocks, and I think they're oil filled. They feel like they should be. They feel kind of splashy. So I think I'm going to top them up with some oil before I take them out. And let's take a look at this light bar. Let's see, do we want to use this one? Let's take a look at this light bar. Yeah, let's do this one because I got a battery in that transmitter already. Let's go ahead and set it down in there. Plug it in. Like I said, you only need 2 AA batteries for your transmitter. Goes down in the grip and the handle, just like that. Stick them in the base. Turn them on. The on switch. Ooh, that's a bright LED, boy. That's a bright LED. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. That's bright. That's not even on a fully charged battery. Still, it's looking good. Looking good. All right, so that's about it. We've got the ZD Racing 1/16 scale brushless Rocket DTK 16. Another budget addition to the RC Addicts Garage. Now, in full disclosure, these aren't actually mine. My kids got these for Christmas yesterday. So these are theirs, but I will get some trigger time on it and let you guys know how it goes. So they'll probably be out there this afternoon ripping it up, and if they do, I'll be sure to be there with the camera, getting you footage. But yeah, I hope you like what you saw. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome. Please, give the channel or give the video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Subscribe if you want to see more. I've got more content coming. It's not coming really fast, but it's coming. I've got more content coming. So like, subscribe, ring the bell to stay notified when you see these new videos drop. And come check your boy out over here. at RC Addicts Garage, and wishing you guys happy holidays. It's your boy Jeff C signing out. I always say, share the knowledge, keep the hobby alive. God bless. Jeff C out. Until next time. Peace.